Yo guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Rune, and today I will be doing a review on the newest Air Jordan 3 Reimagined. So first of all, I want to apologize to all of you guys for not uploading in over 3 months, but I was moving with my dad to this very cool house. I have a whole new room just dedicated to my sneakers, so I'm really happy with it, and I'm really glad that you guys stuck with me for this very long time. But today the newest review is about this Jordan 3 White Cement. For me, this is one of the coolest pairs that is going to drop this year. So we're gonna take a look at the shoe from a bit closer by. So first of all, we are going to start with the box, and as you can see, these edges look like they've been really worn out. It's with the idea, just as with the Lost and Found, that they were on the shelf for a really long time. That's where the name Reimagined comes from. They are going to bring out a few pairs this year. So this is one, the Jordan 3 Cement, also the Jordan 4 Bread and the Jordan 1 Royal Toe are gonna be released in a Reimagined. So they are gonna try to get as close as possible to the old release and retro these sneakers again in 2023. So when we open up the box, you also have the worn out damage on the inside. You're gonna find a booklet on the inside with all the parts of the shoe, also a really cool detail. Also the card is a bit worn out, and then around the whole box you have the famous Jordan 3 elephant print. So right there behind me is the GS size box, and as you can see, this is just the normal box, and it doesn't have this really cool worn out aged edges. This is something I really dislike about it, because I don't know why they would put it on the normal sizes but not on the GS sizes. So that's the only down point for me. So we're gonna start off with looking at the white leather. The leather is actually really high quality. It has the looks from a tumbled leather, but it isn't one. It's really cool. So it's very soft leather, very high quality, and it wraps around the whole shoe, around the back to the front to the toe box. Then right here on the nose tab we have the elephant print. This also feels very high quality. I do think that it's gonna get dirty really quickly, because it's some sort of a really hard suede with a few cracks in it. But if you get some sort of dirt on suede, it's really hard to get it out. So that's one down point for me. If you wear these, they're gonna get dirty really easily. We also get this elephant print on the back, and this is more of a dark elephant print. If you're gonna compare it, this is a bit more lighter in comparison to the back. So then we're gonna move on to the heel tab. As you can see, they put a Nike Air on this, and I don't know if you guys are familiar with Jordan 3s, but normally there is a big Jumpman on here. But now they put the Nike Air branding back, so this is something I really like. It also gives this more OG feeling to me, and they also used a more of a darker white, more to the yellow side color. It gives this extra OG feeling. They also used it on the midsoles, and then right here on the on the white/yellow eyelets. And this they done this to come as close to the Reimagined and to give you this Reimagined feeling that has been stuck on the shelves for all of these years. So right here on the ankle collar, and also right here just right below the eyelids, they used some sort of a perforated leather. It gives a really cool look. It's like leather with all these little holes in it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it on camera, but it's really cool in real life. So I really like this. On the inside of the tongue, they used a red, really soft material. I do think they're gonna be really comfy on feet, as they are actually quite padded for a Jordan 3. They also stitched a red Jumpman on there in the same bright red color, And then on the eyelets right here near the front part of the shoe, they also used red. They used a few hints of black right here on the upper lacing holes, and also right here around the back part of the shoe on the midsole. Then when we move on to the midsole, we get your visible air compartment. And then when we move on to the outsole, you get your bright red again, your gray, and then again this like aged white yellow look. Also, something they've changed is they put Nike branding on here instead of a Jordan logo, all for this reimagined release. So this was my review about the Jordan 3 White Cement from the Reimagined series. Hope you like it. If you like my videos, please go on and press that blue thumbs up. Also, don't forget to go on and subscribe down below. Follow my social media, it's right here, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.